This was a 1989 Carver Santiago. Was on Keystone Lake. It had two gas engines in it, Merc Cruisers. Also had two Marine Airs and a Onan generator that was, I believe, 8 kW. Went and looked at the boat, and it was advertised to be in pristine condition with low hours, ready to go. And for the year, it was pretty much original, the way it came out.
As you can see in the videos, it's pretty worn. Probably a little TLC, and may need to replace some things. A little hard work on it could make it a nice boat for the right person. So the story on this is that the gentleman and his wife bought this 20 years ago, and they had planned to go on the loop and then didn't. So obviously they didn't go on this trip and are now selling this boat, which is why we want to travel now while we're younger.